Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Babbage.
Thanks so much. One more time para kay Budi.
Para kay Budi, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Babotin Budi.
Thank you so much.
Blow. Haba ng wish. Wish lang walang novena, ha? Ang haba. Oh, blow mo for Budi din.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita MC.
Grabe naman yung Tita M. Mama MC. Wow.
Happy birthday, Ninang!
Naku, anong wish mo? Magkabalikan ka.
Hindi.
Yay! Happy birthday!
Uy, makakainom na si Kitty. Ang saya.
Yay!
Masisimulan na. Kanina pahawak yan, hindi niya mabuksan. Ano? Mabubuksan niya na yung alak niya.
Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita MC.
Grabe naman yung Tita M. Mama MC. Wow.
Happy birthday, Ninang!
Naku, anong wish mo? Magkabalikan ka.
Hindi. Uy, makakain na si Kitty. Ang saya. Masisimulan na. Hindi na pahawak yan, hindi mabuksan. Ano? Mabubuksan niya yung alak niya.
Okay pumuti, di na maghahanap ng kung anong sagot sa mga tanong dahil ikaw ang katiyakan ko. Hindi na ako bibitaw ngayong
Hi Kevin, shout out to you. See you again sa next movie.
Hi, man.
Meme. Love you, Meme. Ganda mo, Meme. Ay, si Bea. Oo nga pala.
Si Bea, papi. Ay, si Bea, Saro kasi lagi eh.
One more.
Salamat po.
Thank you, Bea.
Thank you po.
Sharo, happy birthday and congratulations po sa 50 years na sa industry. Yun lang po, bago pa ako magkamali. Okay. Hindi ko alam anong gagawin ko kasi saya ko po ano nakatanggap ako ng imbitasyon na inaaniyahan po akong dumalo dito sa papiging ninyo dahil birthday ninyo at pinagdidiwang yung 50 years niyo sa industry. At saya ko. Ay, ang sweet naman ni Ma'am Charo. In-invite ako. Tapos pag-upo ko po dito, lumapit po si Tita Chin. Sabi niya, buti tumating ka. Talagang pina-invite ka namin. Kasi pinabasa namin yung program, masyadong seryoso, kailangan ng magpapatawa. Na-appreciate ko po yun. Na at least nakita niyo yung talent ko. Sabi ko po, ano po, hindi po ako pumasok agad. Kasi pagpasok, sabi ko, ba't ang tahimik? Sabi ko, saan yung kay Ma'am Sharon? Siya, ano po? Hindi, Corsilio ang nagaganap siya. Kaya sabi ko, kailangan ba talagang magpatawa? Baka malinga-linga ako, tinitignan ko yung crowd. Sabi ko, parang mas karapat-dapat mag-prayer meeting na lang tayo. Kasi tahimik yung mga tao. Sabi ko, ganito pala talaga pag mayaman, pag social, pag class yung event. Tahimik lang yung mga tao, pangiting-ngiti lang ng slide. Hindi masyado nag-uusap. Ang nagsasalita lang, yung mga alahas nila.
Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. As long as love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. Part of the way that I stare, there's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You did it. Marami pag-iintin na padaba sa'yo. I know you got beautiful things in your heart. And I pray that all your beautiful wishes super come true. I'm honored to be here. May isang bar pa daw. Your eyes in the morning sun, I feel your touch made far away. And the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. Come to me on the summer breeze, keep me warm in your love and soft in me, and it's making earth and reggae. Oh, I never heard them at all till it was you. There were birds in the sky, but I never saw them singing. No, I never saw them at all till it was you. And there was music and wonderful roses. They tell me happy birthday, man, and happy anniversary. And there was love all around, but I never heard it sing. No, I never heard it at all till there was you.
Hindi ako masyado nag-abala. Maliit lang to. So, but I brought a painting tonight by Welbart Bartolome called Gracias. And nung una ko nakita to, I thought of you because there are words on the painting. So, it says love, grace, beauty, peace,
sharing your grace and knowledge, and I am lucky to be taught by you. Just a quick throwback po. We did workshops actually with Ma'am Charo. I think this went for 6 days or 1 week. And that time, talagang sobrang mahiyain ako, and she taught me how to carry.
Happy birthday, ma'am. I just want to thank you for allowing me to tell you this in person. Thank you for giving my dreams a chance. I remember kanina nang nilapitan mo ako. Sabi mo sa akin, ula pa lang naniniwala na ako sa'yo. Mahal Clara, nangyari ang maranaran ng 5 taon sa ABS-CBN. Dahil sa bawat taon na dapat matipigok na kami, ipinaglalaban kami ni Ma'am Charo. Nakikinig siya sa amin. And that's how and when my
Perfect.
Can't find a mirror to see what I see in you, but I will follow you until you see it too. I know I can't help but love everything you do, but you can't see that, and girl, I like that. I'll be there when you don't know what you should do. If your heart breaks, I'll be there to fix it too. I know I can't help but love everything you do, but you can't see that, and girl, I like that. But you can't see that, and girl, I like that. But you can't see that.
Thank you everyone! It's Boys, thank you! Everyone, thank you maraming salamat!
Oh my god. Let her melaba. Dawa why? This is Holy Secret.